This video is intended for furniture manufacturers seeking to improve surface finishing quality, increase sanding productivity, and reduce dependence on skilled labor. The SMBL S2 automatic double belt sanding machine is a widely used solution in modern furniture production lines. The machine is designed for sanding and polishing flat surfaces, from rough sanding to fine sanding and primer surface preparation. In addition, the SMBL S2 can also handle slightly contoured or uneven surfaces, ensuring consistent and uniform surface quality after processing. The SMBL S2 is suitable for a wide range of materials, including MDF, plywood, veneered panels, and solid wood, making it ideal for common furniture applications. Its double sanding belt configuration allows efficient processing of wide panels while improving surface quality and overall productivity. The machine features a PLC control system with a touchscreen interface, enabling operators to easily set parameters such as panel thickness, sanding belt speed, and conveyor speed. The fully automated operation ensures stable performance and consistent output quality, independent of operator skill level. The sanding pressure pad system, driven by servo motors, allows precise adjustment according to panel width. Both the lifting time and sanding pressure are accurately controlled, minimizing edge damage and enhancing surface finishing quality. For furniture factories requiring stable operation, high-quality surface finishing, high productivity, and user-friendly operation, the SMBL S2 automatic double belt sanding machine is a reliable choice. The machine is available from stock at a competitive price. Please contact QUOC for detailed consultation and to see the machine in operation.